If you need to reset your password on Zoho CRM, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Go to the Zoho CRM login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM login page. You can do this by entering the URL for Zoho CRM in the address bar. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Zoho CRM account. Type in your email address and click on the Submit button. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from Zoho. If you do not see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and follow the instructions provided. You will typically find a link that allows you to set a new password. Click on the link, enter your new password, and confirm it. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Zoho CRM account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zoho support for further assistance.